Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making tomato basil soup. For this recipe you need onion middle size, cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes, fresh basil and garlic. Let's get started. First I'll dice an onion. Second I'll dice tomatoes and cherry tomatoes. I'm going to add some olive oil, chopped onion into the pot and mix all together. After adding 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix again. Now I'm going to toss all colorful tomatoes. Just put them right in the pot and they give it such a great flavor. Most ingredients are ready and I'm going to mix everything and add 1 cup of fresh basil or dry basil if you have it into the pot. Tomatoes and basil are a great combination. Smell amazing. Now I've got 2/3 cup of chicken stock. If you are vegetarian, you can always use water. Mix well, it's gonna simmer for 20 minutes and infuse all those incredible flavors. After 20 minutes, I'm going to make purees. I'm using a stick blender and mix until smooth. Don't forget to add salt and pepper. You just need to add a couple of pinches of them. You can always taste and add more if necessary. The last thing is croutons and add them directly to your plate. Delicious and healthy tomato basil soup. It's easy to make and absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching and find the full written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like button, follow, and I will share new simple food recipe with you.